Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute baby version of Ballerina Cappuccina. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw a large sideways oval. Now top to the left, and let's draw a long curve down and back up for the shape of the head. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the face. Let's start with 2 circles for the eyes. And then inside, let's add another circle on the top right. And color the rest of the eyes in black. Now let's hop out and let's draw a curve out and back in for the eyelashes. And color them both in black. Now let's hop in between the eyes and let's draw a curve up for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now we're going to hop inside the top section and let's draw a heart in the middle. Then on both sides, let's draw a curve up. And then curve it back down and in on the sides. Now we're going to hop out again and let's do the same thing by curving it up. And another curve down and in. And lastly, for the head, let's hop to the left side and let's draw the handle. On the left, let's draw a curve up and bring it back in underneath. And let's do the same thing inside. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start with 2 curves down and out, like this. Now underneath, let's draw a small line down on both sides, and then 2 curves meeting in the center. Now from the ends, let's bring it down for the sides of the body. And a curve across the bottom. Now we're going to hop out and draw the arms. From the shoulders, let's continue it up. And then let's curve it back in at the ends. And then let's bring it back into the body. Now that we're done the arms, let's move back down and let's draw the skirt to the dress. On both sides, let's draw a curve outwards. And then let's draw a bumpy line across. And lastly, for the dress, let's draw 2 curves inside at the top. And then hop down and let's draw 2 more. Next, we're going to hop underneath and draw the legs. Let's start underneath in the center and let's draw a line down. Now top out and let's draw another set of lines, angling it slightly in. And then let's close off the bottom of each foot by curving it down and up to the center. Now top in and let's draw the shoes. At the bottom, let's draw a curve inside each foot. And then 2 curves across on top. And that's it for Ballerina Cappuccina. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!